might be looking at this like, what is going on? But we all been here. Toilet broke. So in this video, I'll show you how to fish the flush lever on the toilet to get the flush again. Alright, so first, I'm going to remove the back from the toilet. Pretty simple, just lifts up. All toilets just lift up, real simple. Put that out the way. And let's show y'all. So this lever was the problem that snapped in half. I guess over old age, it rusted apart and just snapped right in half. So don't end up taking that out and replacing it. Alright, so I guess I got another one from Walmart. It's not the same exact angle, but I'm pretty sure I could just bend this rod to get it back to the same angle. Yeah, I'm probably sure I could bend that. Alright, so first thing you want to do is take off this screw in the inside. I'm gonna drop that in the toilet. So that piece slides out. And then the arm can slide out. So that's the old broken arm gasket. And then with this arm here, it literally just unhooks from this chain. There we go. Put that there so it won't fall over. Alright, so this new one, I'm gonna do the same thing. Unscrew all the way off. Let's see how it fit first. So it doesn't, essentially. So we wanna line these up. Essentially, and then figure out where to bend it. So my bend will have to be like right here to get it back in the right spot. Alright, that should work. So let's see if that's gonna work. That's all there was to it. Alright, let's tighten it back up. Alright. So let me go ahead and actually show y'all what I was doing. Alright, so came in here, bent the arm to match the toilet. Had to increase this chain because it was on like the 3rd or 4th link, so you just undo it and put it on whatever length goes to your toilet. I guess the last arm's a little bit longer, so you want just a little bit of slack so it closes automatically all the way down when you let go of it. So like this, you lift it up, flush your toilet, and your system starts putting back up. Pretty simple install. Look, video's only going for 9 minutes, so under 10 minutes to fix the toilet. Thanks for watching.